All right, guys, so today we are learning about how to find the independent variable. First, I had the kids just do some review from the previous lesson. You can always catch the video over there on that. For the new material here, what we want to do is, given this function f of x, we want to solve for x. This is the independent variable. F of x is the dependent. So we see f of x is equal to 30. We're going to take this f of x right here, and we're going to replace it with 30, and then solve for x. I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides, and then divide each side by 7, and we get x is equal to 4. And that's really all there is to it. I'm going to do another example. Let's change colors. Let's do purple. Yeah, let's do green for the holidays. Okay, again, we want to take this f of x, and we're going to replace it with -5. Rewrite the equation, and then we're going to start solving. We're going to add 4 to both sides. So we get -1 is equal to 1/3 x. To get rid of this 1/3, we're going to multiply each side by 3. Denominator to numerator will cancel, and we're left with x is equal to -3. I have 4 problems here. You guys would be solving them in Pear Deck. So try those, the answer keys in Schoology. The other thing we're going to look at here is if I give you a graph of a linear function and I say, okay, tell me what f of -3 is. You're going to go to -3, start on the x-axis, go to the dot, bring your way over to the y-axis, and I can see it is also at -3. And I ask you, what is f of -1? So start on the x-axis, because that's the input. Go over to the y-axis, that's the output. And I can see the y value is going to be 1. F is 0, we're just right there. It is on the y-axis, so that is 3. F of 1, start on the x-axis, head to that spot on the function, look over to the right, I see that's at 5. F of 2, there's no dot for it, but the function certainly exists there. So again, we just kind of go up to where the function is, right here. Bring our way over to the y-axis, and I can see that's at 7. And the last one I'm asking for is f of 3. You don't necessarily need to draw, I'm just kind of visually giving you what you're doing. Get to the spot on the function, go over to the y-axis, and I can see that's at 9. All right, I've got one for you to try. Again, key is in Schoology, and we will pick up on the next lesson next time. Bye.